Hey guys, this is BLUETTI Support, a knowledge base to help you have a better experience with BLUETTI. And today, we're talking about the B300S expansion battery. B300S is rated at 3072 watt-hours, and it can work together with AC500 as its external battery. The system can get an impressive capacity of 18,432 watt-hours by attaching 6 B300Ss. The B300S has a 100-watt USB-C, 12-volt/10 amp car output, and a USB-A port. That's to say, you can also use it alone as a portable power station. With the temperature adaptive function, B300S is able to self-heat and gets charged even at -4 Fahrenheit or -20 Celsius. Inside the package, you'll also receive the P150D battery expansion cable, DC input cable, user manual, and warranty card. Press the power button and the LED indicators light up in sequence, and you're able to use it to charge your devices. Press this button to enable the DC output. Press it again. The output turns off. Turn B300S around. Here are the PV input and adapter input ports. You can charge B300S using AC, solar, car, and lead-acid battery charging. It can also be charged using 2 input ports at the same time. Plug B300S into an AC power source via the adapter. Connect your solar panels to B300S with the DC input cable. The built-in MPPT allows you to fast charge your B300S with 500 watts of solar power. Now you need both the DC input cable and car charging cable. Plug the DC input cable into the PV input port. You can also plug in the adapter and solar panels together. Beside the input ports, there are also the battery expansion ports. Use this P150D battery expansion cable to connect AC500 with B300S and insert the cable, then push this button to lock. The same goes for the other end. When you need to disconnect the combo, first unlock and then press to pull out the plug. You can also use our BLUETTI app to control the B300S if you connect it to the AC500. Here are the battery SOC, AC-DC input and output status. You can also turn on the AC and DC output and set up the combo to your preference. That's all for today. Please follow us for more videos and let me know if you have any questions or ideas. Thanks for watching and see you next time.